So I'm self-pollinating my Casabananas because I don't seem to have a very good insect pollination going on. So of course the male flowers don't have any ovary on the bottom. And it's best to find them, of course, when they look somewhat developed but not rotted out yet. And then, kind of like vanilla, I'll pull all the fleshy leaves off to get back to your pollen, the male flower's pollen. Now the female flowers look like this guy here, this gal. They have that huge ovary on the back. So I'm just coming in and I just kind of roll that around, push it about on there. I believe we got a couple more over here. Yeah, I got one down here, although that looks a little old, but I'll try it. And there's a beauty right there. Yeah, this female looks like it's in great shape to be pollinated. So I just roll that around, and kind of like vanilla, if it doesn't take soon, then they'll just die and rot off. And I have another female in here. I'll kind of roll that around, and then I'm probably going to take that other male flower over here and just do the same thing, just to guarantee that I got good pollen from that male flower. And then they'll start to develop. Now when they're young and aborted, this is a good example here, probably didn't get pollinated, and this is already starting to rot back on the tip, or I got a critter or something. These are good little cucumbers. Cucumbers, I shouldn't say, zucchini. They're very much like a zucchini. So you can, of course, just take these and cook them up as you miss them. I think I got one right in there that I might have missed. I'll take that guy. And I believe that there's a stage where you can get these even bigger and use them as vegetable, but I have yet to experiment with that. So I'll get back to that later.